Hi, this is Amy with Go Places English, and today I want to talk about the T and D sounds in American English. I had a student ask me to create a lesson on these sounds, so here it is. Both the T and D sounds are consonants. Let's take a closer look at their differences. The T sound is unvoiced, and it's created by placing the tip of your tongue against the tooth ridge and the sides of the tongue against the upper side teeth. The mouth is open just enough for the aspirated air to come out. Let's practice the sound together. T, 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 t. Now let's say some words with the T sound. Remember, the letter T has a few different pronunciations depending on the word. For the purpose of this lesson, we will focus on the T sound. Time, tickle, tell, table, telephone, tongue, to, Twitter. Good. Now let's look at the D sound. This is a voiced sound. The mouth shape and tongue placement are the same as in the T sound, but when you say the D sound, you're going to engage your vocal cords. If you touch your throat area, you should be able to feel the vibration when you say the D sound. Let's try it. D, 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 d. Nice. Let's say some words with the D sound. Dog, dimple, door, ditch, delicious, does, down, decide. Good. Keep practicing until you get it right. I'll be making another video about the SH and CH sounds, so keep an eye out for that. I really love creating videos for you, so consider joining me on Patreon to gain early access to all my videos and extra goodies and bonus learning materials. The link to my Patreon page is in the transcript of this video. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Subscribe to the Go Places English YouTube channel. Thanks. Go Places English. Where will English take you?